Have you ever had a chance to ride Slick Rock on a dirt bike? Heading to Utah and riding the Slick Rock country is an incredible experience. After fueling our truck and securing our bikes in the toy hauler, we head north. We end up in Green River, Utah at the Green River Dirt Bike Rally. When checking in, we find out that our guide is the Mountain Slayers. We've had DJ before, and he's one of our favorites. To be honest, we've never had a bad guide at the Dirt Bike Rally. This is our 4th year. We're excited to try Slick Rock Trail. The trail that we're riding today is Brian and Mary's. Going to a dirt bike rally is a great way to meet other people. It's an awesome way to try new trails without having to worry about navigation. All you need to do is bring your food, your water, cameras, and make sure that you have your Utah OHV sticker. Before we get to the fun stuff, we have to go through some of the washes, which is a little bit dusty, but that's okay. Now we're ready to head into the Slick Rock and let the fun begin.
Brian and Mary's Trail. We're headed towards it. I'm not sure if we're on it yet or not. Really cool rock canyon.
If you've never had an opportunity to ride Slick Rock, it is shocking how good the traction is. Even going from sand to rock, you can get a lot of grip. Just remember, the bike might actually grab more than you think, so cover the clutch so you don't accidentally whiskey throttle.
Yeah! Woo! Yep, up is up.
I found the rock step-ups with a little bit of sand on them to be the most challenging. Even though I had a brand new IRC VE33 rear tire, I ended up parking my bike on those obstacles more than once. If you ride Slick Rock alone, you're probably wondering, how do you find your way? It's not like a regular single track where it's obvious where to go. At times you can see tire marks, but if you look down at the rocks, you will on occasion see a white painted line. This is your navigation beacon. Follow the white line, kind of like follow the yellow brick road. This white line will show you the easiest way to tackle the different obstacles and help you get through the Slick Rock Trail.
What now? Right here. Big line right over there.
Fun fact, I started riding dirt bikes way later in life. I was in my late 40s. Meet Jackson. He's not only a friend, he was my first dirt bike coach. It's fun to be able to ride with him again because I've come so far, but I still have so much to learn. So for those of you that want to take up dirt biking, it's never too late.
You like second gear?
I was about to.
Yeah. Yeah, I was not expecting a slick rock ride. This is awesome.
We are coming to the end of the Slick Rock portion of the ride. Thankfully, we have a small group. We head across the prairie and it's quite dusty to get to the next canyon. In the next canyon, we'll all encounter one final obstacle, about a 3-foot step down.
Just roll right through. Don't stop and think about it.
Yeah.
The final rock step down concluded our rock portion of the ride. Now we head off to the sand. Sand is hard to walk in, sand is hard to ride in, but it was an excellent way to end an amazing day.
Give her the onion!